What is up, everybody? Greg the Bee Guy here, and I'm here with Brian.
What's up?
And we bought the cheapest bee suit that we could find on Amazon. Again, me and him, we like to help out you brand new beekeepers. And if you're a beekeeper and you don't have a lot of money and you're looking for some cheap stuff that may or may not be good, that is gonna help you out, that is why we're here. So we purchased this bee suit from Amazon. It was about $30, and we will leave a link in the description down below, and we are gonna unbox it, and Brian here is gonna try it on, and then we're gonna go into our hives with this suit on, and then we're gonna give you a review after it's all said and done. So stay with us. All right, guys, so here it is. We got our suit. As you can see, it's in a sealed package. Oh, and by the way, we did pay for this. As Brian always likes to say, we did not get this donated to us, so we did buy it right off of Amazon. Again, links is in the description down below, and we're gonna check it out and see what we think about it here. All right, so we got a pair of gloves. This is an extra large, by the way. It is actually marked, I think, on here somewhere. I don't see a mark on it, but this is extra large. So you got a nice pair of decent gloves. They feel pretty good, nice and soft. All right, let's check out the bee suit. All right, so here's your extra large bee suit. Okay, it is an overall style bee suit, so it does cover the whole body. Has a little nice bee on it here, little happy bee. Says Andy's on it. Nice veil. Oh, let's see. Sorry, Bri. I mean, the construction feels pretty good. What do you think, Bri?
Overall, it looks nice, decent. I mean, it is going to be a little heavy. No ventilation on this one.
Yeah, there's no holes or anything. Let's see the zipper. All right, so nice little flap there. That's always good to cover up just in case you leave a hole there. Now this does have a continuous zipper, so you're gonna have to kind of watch that. What I like to do is keep my zipper in the back. This does have a continuous zipper, and it does have a little collar there. So overall, I would say the construction looks pretty decent. Now you have your little booty legs down here with the nice little elastic.
No zippers on the legs.
No zippers on the legs. All right, so Bri, how tall are you, Bri?
About 5'5".
5'5". You're shorter than 5'5". No. So Bri's 5'5", and how heavy are you, Bri?
170.
170. All right, you're a lightweight. All right, so Bri's gonna put on this extra large bee suit. Now, just in comparison, I'm 6 foot, about 235. So we'll see how this fits on Brian. And if it's way too big for Brian, then I'll get in it and we'll see how it fits on me. So Brian, go ahead and suit up. Okay, that's nice and tight. Oh, don't fall over, bro. All right.
It's about 90 degrees today.
It is about 90 degrees with about 100% humidity here today in southwestern Pennsylvania. It has been raining literally just about every day since April 1st. So the humidity is just absolutely horrible out here. But we're out here fighting it for you, and we're trying to bring you the best content we can. So let's go ahead and help Brian get suited up here. Watch your beard there, Bri. Okay. All right, so you definitely look like a marshmallow, Brian. All right, so fit-wise, what would you say for you? Is it a little bit too big for you?
It's a little bit too big.
Yeah,
but
it is a little bit too big.
It's baggy. You'll get less stings.
Yeah, that's true. If it is baggy, you'll get less stings. So go ahead and slap the gloves on.
They feel good quality.
Okay. Yeah, not bad. I will
not bad.
Definitely agree with you on that one. All right, guys. So do a quick stretch, do a couple jumping jacks, Brian. Jumping jacks, there you go. Brian doing jumping jacks, everybody. That should be worth a like and subscribe right there. If you do like this kind of content, go right down below in the video here and like and subscribe and leave us a comment. Leave us a comment of what bee suit you like, if you like the overall style bee suit, or if you like the jacket, or you just might wear a veil. Leave us a comment, let us know. But what we're gonna do now is we are gonna take this brand new bee suit that we bought on Amazon for $30, and we are gonna go do a hive inspection in it and see if Brian can get stung a couple times. That'll get us a couple views. So stay with us, guys. We're gonna go do a hive inspection with our unboxing and wearing our brand new $29 bee suit. Stay with us, guys. All right, guys, so we're here at this hive. We're gonna give them some smoke like we always do. This will calm them down a little bit. Now, like we talked about in the one video, it is a little bit warm out here and a little bit humid out here, so the bees might be a little bit more on the aggressive side. So we're gonna try to limit the time that we have inside the hive. So what we want to do, like any hive inspection, is we're looking for three different things. First off, the strength and quality of the hive. Are there a lot of bees in there? Are there too many bees in there to support this hive? And we might have to give them another box. We might have to put a honey super on. And then we're also going to look and see if we can find the queen. We're going to look and see if we can find a really good brood pattern. And we're going to look and see if we can find resources such as honey, pollen, and nectar. So here we go. So what we want to do is kind of crack the lid. Hold on. All right, Brian's going to give him a little puff up under the top there. We're going to let him sit for 10 seconds. Let that smoke kind of permeate through the hive. All right, once that happens, we'll take off the lid and we'll see. Now, first thing we're looking for is we have a full colony here. So using that 70-30 rule or the 80-20 rule, we definitely have a full 10 frames of bees in here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to try to see what our brood looks like and stuff like that. Now from my initial look, I don't see any brood right off the bat, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to start drawing from this side. Okay. Now we have brood here on this last frame, which is good. So we have a nice amount of resources here and nice brood. Take a real quick peek for the queen. If we don't see her, we will put this off to the side. Brian, give me one more little shot of. Very nice brood pattern here, as you guys can see. Now we do see an empty queen cell right there. That's something we kind of have to pay attention to when we're looking for the queen. Now we haven't seen any hives swarm in our apiary in a while, but you never know, sometimes you miss them. Always give yourself a good, yep, and there's a couple queen cells there, and they're not full. There's actually 3 of them. And then on this side, they don't have this frame drawn out just yet. Same with this one. There's lots of nice nectar they're bringing in there. Okay. Not much going on there. Very light frame here. we do have some brood here. And we have all levels of brood. I know it's hard to see in the camera, but we have all levels. We have very, very young eggs, larva, pupa, the whole set all the way up to and including cap brood on that side. Let's just give her a quick gander on this side. This might be a good frame to take if we need a frame for that other hive. I think she would be on one of these frames here. Yeah, that's just the smashed. Same brood on this. We didn't see the queen. Probably not put on the film. We do have brood and everything in here though, so one more. Let's go ahead and seal this back up. There you go. And then we're gonna move. All right, guys, so we're back, and it is hot as, am I allowed to cuss on this? It's hot as hot can be. You guys in Florida, I don't know how you do it every day, but anyway, it is really hot out here. So we tested out the Andy's beekeeping suit. $29, link down below. I'm gonna give you my take on it, then I'm gonna let Brian in there. So, I mean, it's decent. I wouldn't say it's top end, obviously, for that amount of money. I will actually put a link of the suit that I wear just as you can, so you can compare it. But it's good enough, if that's the budget you're working in, it's good enough that it's going to work out for you. Now, the last thing I'll say, and then I'm gonna ask Brian some questions and give him his review on it. Brian's real short and real skinny. So if you're a real short, skinny person, get the large. This is an extra large. This probably would fit me. I'll have to try it on later. But so, Brian, how would you rate this on feel and on just overall performance for you today?
I'm rated a 7 out of a 10.
7 out of a 10, okay.
I mean, it is heavy, it's not breathable. So if it's hot where you're at, it's gonna be hot.
And then you were commenting real quick about the pockets.
You only have 2 front pockets, no leg pockets. The veil is really close to your face. So if you like a deeper veil away from your face, something else to look into. The other suit we wear has a bigger veil on it.
It's breathable, if you can see that. It's breathable. We didn't get stung. The bees weren't real aggressive today, so we didn't get a chance to check the sting protection for you. Brian, what about the gloves?
The gloves are a good quality glove.
Yeah, I was kind of thinking that myself. Yeah.
Again, no ventilation in the glove, but they are a good glove. They seem made well. No issues there.
All right, so Brian is a 7 out of 10. I'm gonna probably give it maybe a 6 out of 10, only because I think if you ended up getting stung in this, they're probably gonna be able to sting through it a lot more than just on the thickness. I'm gonna give it like a 6 out of 10. Brian's a 7 out of 10, so overall we'll give it a 6.5 out of 10. So guys, not bad. If you're working within a budget, this is a good suit for you. Again, link down below, like and share this video, comment on this video, tell us what bee suits you like to wear. We wear the overall style, they have a jacket style, and then a lot of you guys are out there with just a veil on. And for you hardcore go-getter stormtroopers that are out there with nothing on except, you know, like a pair of undies or something, God love you. I'd be stung up 20 times. But anyway, so Greg the Bee Guy and Brian, we're signing off for today from hot and humid Southwestern Pennsylvania. We'll talk to you later.
See ya.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Good, Brian. Nice job, dude. Nice job.